Welcome to Link Invoicing. Link Invoicing is an application in Excel that permits us to create invoices very easily and very fast, only based on a database of activities. What does it mean, Link here? Link means that you introduce the data only once and the application does all the rest of the activities automatically. This is our database. To create an invoice, we select one of the activities and press this button that is on the upper left corner on the screen, View Invoice. If we press it, we come to a form which is an invoice, and this invoice has here the element, the activity that we want to put as an object of the invoice. We can see in the preview of the printing that the document that would result if we finally decide to create this invoice looks like this. It has all the requirements of the invoice, including the date and the serial number, which is automatically created. It has a VAT rate and a final quantity, a final amount of the invoice. Something interesting is that we can select here the type of taxation that is applicable to the activity. There are activities which have 0 VAT rate. In this case, for example, training in a foreign country. If we select this option, the VAT rate changes here to 0, the calculation is changed automatically, and also a sentence appears here that is a legal requirement by the German authorities in case of this kind of activity that you have to always put in an invoice with this kind of activities. We go back to the database and we make a different selection. We select in this time 5 activities, and these 5 activities are assumed in the invoice. We can select also activities, for example this and this, that are separated physically in the database, and the invoice assumes them. What happens if we try to select a lot of activities? The application doesn't allow us to select more than 10 items. What happens if we select items of different clients? The application does not allow us to do that as well. Let's create an invoice now. Let's select these activities, view the invoice. If we are happy with all the data here, with the company, the taxation, we accept the date and the reference number, we can press this button and create the invoice. Let's see what happens. We'll create a PDF that we have to name. This is the invoice already created in a PDF that we can send directly to the email of the client. So imagine that we can put here and we send it as an email to the client. The application also automatically includes here the information of the invoice. This is the invoice number, the year, the date, the amount, the net amount invoiced, the VAT, and the invoiced company. Sorry. This is the main utility of the application. The application has many more things, but they will be presented in a different video. Thank you very much and have a nice evening. Bye.